Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to associate contacts with contact groups in BoldDesk. I will show you how to add contacts to contact groups and remove the association between them. Organizing contacts based on companies facilitates smoother communication and collaboration within teams. Having a clear view of contacts associated with each company enables teams to share information and manage tickets efficiently. Now, let's see how to add contacts to a contact group. There are three ways that can be used to associate a contact with a contact group. First, on the Contacts Group Profile page. Second, on the Contact Profile page. And third, through automation. Let me show you how to associate contact with the contact group from the Contact Group Profile page. Only the agents with Create or Edit Contact Group permission assigned to their roles can do this. I log into my BoldDesk agent account and navigate to the Contacts module. I select Contact Groups and a list page will open. Here, I select a contact group to which I want to add contacts and open its profile page. Next, I click the Add Contact button. A drop-down will open with options to add a new or an existing contact. To add a new contact, select New and a contact adding form will open. Then, enter the contact details and designate a contact group to associate with the contact. To allow the contact to view tickets raised by members of the selected group, enable the View All Tickets option and click Add. You can also add an existing contact to a contact group using the Existing option. This will prompt a window where you can choose the contacts to associate with the group. Follow the link in the card above and the description below to learn how to add and edit contacts in BoldDesk. After selecting, click the Add option, and the chosen contact will be presented. You can also manage the View All Tickets permission for each added contact. Then, click Save to update the changes. All the contacts associated with a contact group will be listed on the Contacts tab of the Contact Group Profile page. Note that a maximum of 25,000 contacts can be added to a contact group. Next, let me show you how to associate a contact with a contact group from the Contact Profile page. Note that only the agents with Create or Edit Contact permission assigned to their roles can perform this, and only applies when the Multiple Contact Groups feature is enabled. To enable this feature, navigate to General Settings on the Admin module, then select the Allow Contacts to be part of more than one contact group option. Now, I select the contact, open the profile page, and navigate to the Contact Groups tab. Then, click the Add Contact Group option, and a window will open to add the contact groups. Select the groups and click the Add button. The selected contact groups will be listed, and you can enable the View All Tickets permission for each group. Finally, click Save to update the changes. All the contact groups associated with a contact will be listed on the Contact Groups tab of the Contact Profile page. Here, you can change the primary contact group for a user by clicking the star icon next to the contact group. Note that a contact can be added to a maximum of 100 contact groups. Next, let's see how to associate contacts to a contact group automatically. Mapping contacts to contact groups can be automated by filling the domain field in the contact group creation or editing page. Contacts are automatically assigned to the corresponding contact group if their email domain matches any mapped domain for that group. Note that automapping happens whenever a contact is created via direct sign-up by the user, email, or through API, and only the verified contacts will be added to contact groups. Also, auto-mapping works only for new users. This will not affect any existing users if a contact group domain is updated. If contacts are associated with a contact group and granted the permission to view all tickets, they will find in My Organization Tickets tab. This tab showcases their tickets as well as those raised by members within their respective groups. Finally, let me show you how to remove a mapped contact from a contact group. Navigate to the Contact Group Profile page and open the Contacts tab. Then, click the Remove icon next to the contact to remove it from the group. A dialog box will appear to confirm the removal of the contact. Click the Yes, Remove button to remove the contact. You can also remove a contact group from a contact by navigating to the Contact Profile page. Open the Contact Groups tab and click the Remove icon next to the group. Let me summarize. In this video, I showed you how to associate a contact with a contact group. I also showed how to remove the association between them. If you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.